This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura TL. This car has an automatic transmission, a V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, cargo tie-downs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.